Good day, motorists. My name is Aaron Oates, and this is Tech Talk with the Hoffman Auto Group. Today's question asks, how am I to know when it's a good idea to pay for a major car repair versus turning my car in and trading it on a new one or a used one? That's a great question, and it comes up quite a bit in our service centers. The first answer to that question is certainly get the car looked at and checked out by a qualified, certified technician, like the techs we have here at the Hoffman Auto Group. Our guys know what they're doing. They're going to send you on the right pathway here. Ask your technician, is this a one-time deal? Like, am I going to pay for this major repair and that's going to do the trick? Or is this going to be the beginning of a long road of multiple repairs down the line? This, of course, can depend a great deal on the age of the car, the mileage on the car, how it's been used throughout its life. If you do decide to keep the car, good for you. You want to feel good about it and get a good quality repair done. If you decide to turn it in, well, talk with the salesman. Find out the worth of your vehicle and what it's going to go on a trade-in or even a private sale. Check out a car that's going to be right for your needs. Your needs may have changed during the time you had your last car, and you want a good value and a car that you're going to like for the long term. It's a tough question, but sometimes it's best to go with a new one or even a used replacement. But just make sure you're looking at something that's not going to give you the same issue you're dealing with that repair bill. We carry good products. We're here for you if you need assistance. This is the Hoffman Auto Group. I'm Aaron Oates, and thanks for watching Tech Talk.